because this is about pretty much if you live in an apartment and you want to renovate like me, but you don't really have that much to work with and you can't really mess with stuff because you're renting the apartment, you don't own it. So here's one video, quick video of what you can do step by step. I'll be showing you guys uploading videos throughout the house from room to room, because I am doing room to room at a time. But yeah, I am right now doing the kitchen, renovating the kitchen, and before it was an ugly yellow tile that I hated, so I went and did a peel and stick, and I got it on Amazon. All those things you need to know, the link where I got it from, everything you need will be in the description box, and if it's not in there, it'll be in this video along the way. But yeah, hope you like this video. If you do, like it, and also subscribe for more DIY do it yourself, because I do a lot of DIYs. I just don't have a lot of time to upload it. But anyways, like this video, subscribe. There will be definitely more DIYs coming soon. Okay, so this is the kitchen, and as you can see, this yellow tile is just ugly. I don't like it. So I want to go ahead and switch it over to the Art Deco 3D backsplash that I want to use. So this cost about $144 for the whole project. And this stuff is very sticky, so you want to be careful on what you get it caught onto, because it will get stuck. I also used this contact paper, which I also got from Amazon. It was only $20, and I put this on top of the yellow countertop. This is one tool you'll definitely need. It will cut exactly where you need it to cut. So unfortunately, I really lost the footage on doing this, but it turned out really amazing. It's super simple, guys. Just peel and stick. When doing the corners, I do recommend you do the corners before doing the outside parts. Okay, so I'm showing you where, okay, I have to take that ugly calendar down. It's just gross. I hate it. But anyways, see, there's some parts where I could have used the X-Acto knife and I didn't have it. I want to change the color of these walls, and yeah, the walls are just ugly. Anyways, and then I would like to go right back in, but overall the job I think was just amazing. This is the contact paper on the bottom. It went really well. Everything, guys, I got from Amazon. I think everything was about $200 at the most, but everything turned out good. Look at my cute little dish rack that I got from Home Goods. I'm going to be doing a Home Goods / Ross haul, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I love this job that I did. It really came out great, and this is about 6 months in, guys. This contact paper is not coming up. The water hits it. It's just amazing. The only thing I could say is try it out for yourselves, but don't do it if you have like bare walls, because then if you take it off, you might have to paint. And remember, this is for apartments if you want to renovate. And yeah, so I'm redoing this whole kitchen, guys, and everything needs to be redone. So it's kind of slowly getting there. My next thing is to change out these shelves. Don't you love that farmer's market bin? Got it at Ross. Trust me, a haul is coming soon on the things I get from those stores.